Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to apply customer payment in NetSuite. To apply a customer payment in NetSuite, you typically record the payment against one or more open invoices. This ensures your accounts receivable is updated correctly and your customer balance reflects the payment. Here's a step-by-step guide. Go to Transactions, Customers, Accept Customer Payments. On the customer payment form, choose the customer making the payment. Enter the reference number or payment number. Set the payment date. This is the date the payment was received. Select the appropriate account. This is the bank account receiving the funds. Add a memo for internal notes if needed. Select the subsidiary for the customer payment. Under the Apply sub-tab, check the boxes next to the invoices you want to apply the payment to. Adjust the amount column if you're doing a partial payment. You can enter discount if there are discount taken. Under Payment Method, select the mode of payment. Click Save to create the customer payment. To check the customer payment, go to Transactions, Customers, Accept Customer Payments, Lists. Select the document number of the payment we created earlier. Upon review, we've confirmed that all the information entered in the customer payment is accurate and reflects correctly. And that's how you create a customer payment in NetSuite.